Hey guys, what's up? I want to do a quick video about the banner, snap, controllers, and models, devices, etc. So what I set up real quick here is like a simple, push button, and through like the S15C-B22-MQ Modbus converter model. I'm basically straightforward able to read the input, which is in this case we are setting up like a silence push button to be tied to an existing system that has an alarm tower, is horn plus visual alarm. So I'm gonna show you real quick how I did it. Here you go. This is the DXM R90 X1, and we got like on port number 2 the adapter S15C-B22-MQ. This indicates you that the Modbus is communicating with the controller, with the master. And then now we have here like a simple push button, very simple, 2 normal open contacts. And then right here I'm gonna show you real quick some registers that there you go. This is the S15C, again, bi-modal to Modbus converter. You can connect multiple devices, totalizer, between pulses, but simple as this, as we are doing it right now. Here real quick, that's where you read your status. Even though I tried to set like pin to active state, it's giving me this register as a result from when I push the button. And so I'm pulling the both registers, and then you simply need to set up not this, that's what I did, the 40,300, which is the pin to IO selection. I select set as a number 1 PNP, which we are switching positive, and then 40,301, which is the mode. So I selected on one shot, which is number 2. So again, 1 for the first and number 2 for the second. Then my connection is switching power between number 1, which is my power right here, and number 4, which is my first discrete input. As I do, I picked like black and brown. That's it depends on which military cable you're buying. In my case, 1 and 4 corresponded to black and brown, which is usually the case. And then real quick we go to the DXM configuration. I want to show you real quick what I did right here. So we go to register mapping. As you can see right here is the push button pulling from port number 2 of the device, of the DXM, from slave ID number 2, which are already set with another software. I'm not going to show you right now, but it's really simple. And then read 2 registers right here, starting from 1. So you don't have to put like 40,001, but just 1 as a first Modbus register, which is our push button input, and pin to active state, which is not used. So, and as a local register, we have assigned 6566. We already have some stuff, and then we are gonna set up like a write rule right here, which is like as I showed you previously, is a 300, 40,300, and 301. Those we need to activate those 2 registers and send information to the S15C in order to activate and make it work the way we want. Here you don't really need, you know, to set up. You're good with holding registers. They are all, you know, 40,000 in this case, so we're good to go. And what else? So we can go back to, yeah, here is the IP setup and other stuff. Then we go to let me see, local registers. So this is what we have, you know, set up, and right here we can, you know, add some descriptions as we did. So again, those are, you know, 70 is the local register, again, reading from what we set up from the mapping, right? So we can, you know, put some description. This is coming from this device. This is our, you know, pin 2 IO selection and pin 2 mode, and then 65 again is our, basically our input, right? So this is not used, we're keeping there. But so let's go, you know, if we want to test this real quick. So we go to tools, right? And then we say, you know, enable polling every 1 second. We pull 2 register, but let's pull 1 register for now, which is what we need to test it. So begin pulling right here. And then pushing the button. There you go. Okay. And that's our, you know, momentary push button reset again. You know, I'm pushing right here. Push. This one. Release it. Back to 0. And then here, as you can see, we can write with this tool, like, you know, the setting we need now is the device set. We don't need to write anymore. So we're good to go. I hope that this, you know, like quick video help you out. It's gonna help you out, actually. So if you like it, you know, press, you know, the thumb button. Give us a like, you know, and, you know, drop, you know, comments below if you need, you know, more information. This is, again, is a quick setup. We already, you know, like set, like not more complex, but with more, you know, with more devices, you know. So if you're interested in discovering more about, you know, the snap banner engineering, snap, again, you know, technology, again, it works like with IO links. They got, you know, IO links models too, and plus, you know, you can talk like Modbus, like we did, Modbus RTU, Modbus TCP, and Ethernet IP. And plus, the device can be connected to the cloud. It's got already AWS and Azure as a connector. You can also like do some data logging. You can add some scripting if you need. There are some, you know, like simple logic, which one of those I basically, you know, copied that value that we are getting from the push button to the PLC, you know, register. But again, you know, if you're interested in discovering more, just let us know. You know, thumbs up if you like it. And I see you next time. Take care. Have a blessed day. Bye.